Hi good people, I hope you're doing well today. My name is Irene from Adroit Architecture. Welcome once again to our YouTube channel. In this channel, we guide you through your construction project, both commercial and residential, helping you turn that project from a dream into a reality. To our subscribers, thank you very much for your continued support. If you haven't subscribed, kindly consider subscribing for amazing content that is absolutely free. Turn on your notifications by hitting that notification bell. That way, you'll be the first one to be notified every time we have a new video up. Today, we have another beautiful home design to bring to you. Let's get into the video and get to see what this house plan has to offer. Are you one of those people who are big on light and air? Do you love high ceilings that just make your rooms grand, airy and well lit? Do you love windows that bring in the beautiful sun into your home? If I'm speaking to you, then you will love the Nuru 4-bedroom house plan. The Nuru 4-bedroom home design is one that has many key features that are simply amazing. I will highlight two. The double volume living room. This is simply a stunning space. Your design mind will get instantly activated with myriads of ideas on how to design this space. Huge windows on the second level bring in a lot of light and air into the living room. The Sunroom Patio. This is such a beautiful and versatile space for entertaining your guests and enjoying a good sunny day as you enjoy the views around your home. Let's take a look at the floor plans. You have a covered entrance porch that brings you into the home, through the sunroom, into the living room. The extra spacious double volume living room is simply amazing. Large windows on the lower floor as well as the upper floor bring in a lot of light and air. A double volume space creates a grand, airy and spacious feel to any room with great design possibilities. From the lower level, you can look up and admire the ceilings and the amazing design that has been created. And from the upper level, you can look down and take in the amazing living room downstairs. Right ahead from the living room, you have a spacious formal dining room where you can sit a large party for a formal meal. The equally spacious kitchen is located diagonally across from the dining room. You have a kitchen island that provides a breakfast nook area for all your informal meals. The kitchen has a walk-in pantry for all your additional storage space. From the kitchen, you have doors leading to the side wraparound terrace. You also have a fully fitted laundry room, and right across from the laundry room, you have an open storage area for all your laundry storage needs. The cloakroom is discreetly located under the staircase, taking advantage of this space that can at times go wasted. Towards the back, you have a bedroom with its own private bathroom, well spaced for up to 2 occupants. This bedroom works well for your visitors or can work very well for your domestic worker. Take the stairs to the upper floor, and at the landing, you can look down onto the living room below, courtesy of the double volume space. The landing filters into the 3 bedrooms upstairs. You have your spacious master bedroom with a walk-in closet and a private bathroom. You have 2 other bedrooms, each with its own private bathroom, well spaced for 2 occupants. The master bedroom and 1 other bedroom have doors leading to the wraparound balcony. The wraparound balcony has a beautiful pergola roof design. The total size of this house is 205 square meters. The ground floor offers you 128 square meters and the upper floor offers you 77 square meters. The Nuru 4-bedroom design is perfectly suited to fit on an 1/8 acre piece of land. That is a 50 by 100. But if you have more space, it will even be better for you to create the perfect outdoor spaces that go with this beautiful home. As of February 2022, we estimate the construction cost of this home to be approximately 8.2 million. We use the construction cost handbook to estimate the cost of construction. This is a handbook that is provided and updated every year by the Institute of Quantity Surveyors of Kenya. This is a good rate to have in mind, but always remember that the cost of construction is influenced by very many factors depending on where you're constructing and the finishes that you use. And that is the Nuru 4-bedroom house plan, featuring 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, a double volume living room, and a sunroom patio. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions, any comments, any inquiries, kindly get in touch with us. We have provided our contact details below. You can also comment on this video or any other video and we can engage with you from there. Subscribe. Give us a thumbs up, share this video with your family and with your loved ones and with your friends. Take good care of yourselves. I'll see you in our next video.